Okay, it's time to check out the backyard. It's May. Got a few new trees. New waterfall. Not done yet. The new pond. Still got a little work to do on the ends. Put the sump in. I'll be over there. Started digging tonight, lost interest. Little river that runs down through. It's going to connect with the other pond. It's over there. Waterfalls are up and running. Had a pretty bitter cold spring, so not a lot of rain, but things got slowed down a little bit. Had a little disaster with work too. There's the creek. I built this one for the boys. Something they can get in and splash around, so it's not real deep. I'm toying with another pond up there. Just adding on to it. Flower beds. Planted some trees over there. This is the pond that the waterfall that I started last fall. Built the framework and stuff. It's on YouTube as well. I just never really got around to taking a video of it being his little project I'm working on. This is going to be a bench seat. I cut a log today at work. Planed it down nice and smooth. I got to sand it yet. It's got a few rough edges, but feeling pretty good. I'm going to put that right over here. I'm really pleased with this waterfall. Dug up some moss and some wildflowers yesterday and planted. Filling it back up again. Had it drop down for a couple of days. This is going to get revamped over here. I'm going to take some of that rock and trees and stuff out. And I'm going to make that flower boxes. I think I'm going to plant some red buds in there. Give the pond a little more shade. Got pretty warm last summer. Work in progress. Turtle pin completely destroyed. Took the pond out. Big pile of dirt. I've just been kind of using this for storage. Thinking I'm going to add another pond back here. Just not sure what I want to do yet. It's going to be a later project. Got a little bit of the landscaping done. A few plants in. Starting to come up, but that's about it. A little different view of the pond. And the waterfall. Okay.